My name is Tomas Zajac, and I came from Slovakia, and actually I'm working as a CNC milling, CNC turning machine operator. I have choice in the near future which machine I will decide to work at. My friend has told me about this opportunity to work in Finland, and I have experience with similar machines, so I decided to go. Kipinä looks to be a very friendly company. They took everything, helped me a lot, and they are very helpful for me. When I have some troubles or some problem, they help me. And so far I haven't any problem with them because they were a kind person and they are professional. I like Refimex company because I can feel a free atmosphere, good atmosphere in this company. People are kind, they are always very helpful to me and very friendly. Also, the boss of this company is a right person. I like all the people in this company. The difference between my born country and Finland is quite big. This Finland, I suppose Finland to be free country, no so much restriction here, and also people are intelligent in my opinion, and it's pure country, clear country, and so far I enjoy this staying here in Finland. I like this country.